Hello everyone, welcome to our channel 1-2-Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can reply to comments with videos on TikTok. If you want to learn more about that, do watch our video right till the end so you can learn more. And do subscribe to our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any updates. So now let's get started. So first you'll go to TikTok, open up the app, and then you select the video and select the comment which you want to reply on. So I have this video and there's a comment, and now I want to reply to this comment with a video. I will press on it for a really long time, so I'll tap on it, and now you'll see this option, this menu of options pop up, and you'll see there are different things you can do with it. And over here on the top you have a reply with video option, so you will click on that one. And now you can see the comment being seen there, and now you can record a video. And once you do that, you'll click on the tick option, and now you can see that you have this comment, and now you've recorded a video replying to it. You can select how much you would like this comment to be seen. You can set the duration. It could be like less or more, any way you like. And then click on next, and then just post the video or just save it to drafts. So I hope this video helped you to learn the process of replying to a comment with a video on TikTok, which seems to be the trend these days. And I hope now you can do this on your own, and now you'll enjoy posting TikTok videos. So I hope this helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, guys, and bye.